My name is Andrea Littleman, and I'll be reading a personal reflection on behalf of the Jewish faith. Baruch atah Adonai Eloheinu melech haolam, shehekianu v'kiyamanu v'hikianu hazman hazeh. Blessed are you, Adonai our God, King of the universe, who has granted us life, sustained us, and enabled us to reach this occasion. This prayer, the shehekianu, is recited in the Jewish community whenever we are doing something for the first time that year. It thanks God for helping us reach this point in our lives and for providing us with a new and meaningful experience. In only a couple of days, we will be experiencing something extremely profound and definitely worthy of this prayer: graduation. Despite all of our hard work throughout the past 4 years, we have many people to thank who have helped us out along the way. Our family members, our guidance counselors and teachers, our friends and classmates. But what about God? Throughout each and every religion, one common theme remains: the belief in something larger than ourselves. For you, this may be a single God, many gods, a vague spiritual presence, or simply the laws that guide the natural world. No matter the specifics, most of us believe there is something out there more important than our individual life, something that helps us thrive. In high school, it can be hard at times to remember that. We get caught up in the seemingly monumental problems that ultimately won't matter so much. We get stressed, and our free time often focuses on having fun to relieve that stress. But through it all, we forget to remember that we are only a part of the larger picture. One of my favorite stories in Judaism centers around an old man planting a fig tree. A neighbor walks by and asks him if he really thinks he will live to benefit from his labor. The old man replies, "I was born into a world flourishing with ready pleasures. My ancestors planted for me, and now I plant for my children." We came into this world with an abundance of opportunities provided for us, especially at Senegal High School. Take advantage of those opportunities. Whatever you plan to do it well and don't give up. But more importantly, provide opportunities for others. Whether this means doing community service, setting a good example for others, or simply helping someone who needs it, remember to leave your community better than you found it. We all want to make our mark on the world. However, we can do even more by leaving our mark on just one person. You don't need to plant a forest of fig trees, but at least just plant one. I'd like to conclude with a Hebrew blessing for all the graduates. Yivarechecha Adonai v'yishmerecha. May the Lord bless you and keep you. Ye'er Adonai panav elecha v'yichunecha. May the Lord make his face shine upon you and be gracious to you. Yisa Adonai panav elecha v'yosem lecha shalom. May the Lord lift his face upon